What's going on, everyone? It's Jacqueline here from Nothing But Tech. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to another video. This is kind of a special one. We hit 100,000 subscribers in like January, I think, and the play button or the creator award just came in. I'm so excited. This has been like a major goal since the beginning. And it's so cool like to have YouTube acknowledge something that you've done on their platform and send you an actual gift. So this will definitely be going in the studio, but I'm so excited to open it. Thank you so much to you. This one goes out to all of you that watch these videos. Since we hit 100,000 subscribers and requested this award, we're now at over 107,000 subscribers. So we've gained like 7,000 new subscribers in that time. So if you're new, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. I'm so excited for this. So we have the box here. I've watched a couple of these, but they've updated the award, so it doesn't look like the old 100,000 play button. It's like new and refined. So I'm excited to see what it actually ends up looking like. So we're gonna pop this open. Oh, and I have to cut along the entire box. I've gotten to do so many unboxings in the past couple of weeks and they're the best, so this is another one, but this is definitely the most special one. So we're gonna pop that open. We have this little piece covering the button. So we have this little note up here and it says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We're honored to take place in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick." It's kind of cool that you get to know the person that did it. If your award was damaged during shipping or you have any questions, please contact them and they give you contact information. But it's awesome that it comes with like that little personal touch. Then we have an actual letter, and it's by the CEO of YouTube, Susan Wachiki. I'm so bad at pronouncing names, and that one's a tough one, but that's her last name there. Moving on from butchering that last name, it says, "You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big. We hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you create. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You have achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished cannot be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for awards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem like a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan W." So that's a really nice letter, and it's cool that they send that. And then you have the actual award, which looks so cool. Like you see it by a lot of other creators, right? But when it has your name on it, and you know that like it was printed for you, and you know that it represents 40-hour work weeks that you're putting in every single week, as like a part-time job with all this other stuff you're doing, it feels like kind of monumentous. I already made a full video about like 100,000 subscribers, but this feels like huge, and it's so awesome that YouTube does this. Like I don't really know of any other platform that does this for their creators. So we're gonna lift it out and take a closer look. It's lighter than I expected actually, which is gonna be good to hang it. We're just gonna pop it out. And there we go. So it has this cool reflection, which is kind of cool, like you see yourself when you're looking at it. And it says, "Presented to Nothing But Tech for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube." So yeah, I mean, this is just, I'm kind of speechless. This is such an amazing thing, and what this represents is so amazing. So thank you. Thank you to YouTube. It's awesome that they honor and value their creators in the way that they do, and doing something like this, which might seem small to them as a company, means so much to the actual creators that receive it. And seeing my name on here, it's just really cool. And this represents all the time that you guys have put into watching videos and hitting the subscribe button, all the time I've put in making videos and sleeping like 3 hours a night to try to get them out to you. And it's all been worth it. And that note that said 1 million subscribers, right? That feels so far away, but your support has been excellent so far. And the goal is just to keep creating content that you enjoy, and to cultivate this awesome community that we have. So thank you so much. There's really nothing else to say. A lot of other content is coming. Thank you again to YouTube. This is definitely getting its special spot in the studio. But thank you guys all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. It means a lot. This one goes out to you. Subscribe right here. Be part of this community. Check out another video right here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you again. Bye.